after tomorrow is finished, we will leave the city. Come join us then.
I agree.
I agree.
Wait, paano yung paano magiging acknowledge ng God?
Okay.
Yung deal? Is it
Dasal ko na lang.
So, Diyos ang
so in-acknowledge yun ni Zhongli?
Zhongli ha? Si Zhongli.
Kasi si Zhongli.
Ano si Zhongli?
Di ba, so pareha silang...
Para sila ng Dominion.
Si Zhongli.
Before my character says that yung really the other day, para hindi siya mahuli.
Hindi ko
My character also proposes since again medyo more na siya. She says, let's make another promise that you won't change your ways. You'll stick to to what is right,
Okay.
that you're not gonna hurt people that do not deserve it. Ibig sabihin, implying that
You do you.
implying that the person that you killed that was an abuser
Parang absolute
was
na yun.
like deserving of it. Parang like twist ko yung words.
You agree?
Oh my god. That's actually some AO.
That's so cool. Wow.
Also, I guess I just wanna say this na din. I mean, yung mangyayari sa karakter. Kasi naisip ko, parang hindi ako
Balik
mapulin.
ka pa ba?
Hindi. Well, hindi ko pa sure, pero kasi naisip
Sayang
ko, parang
naman yung
hindi
speech
ako
ni Kesha.
mabulin ng kasi syempre, out of nowhere, magtataka sila, nawala si ganito, ganyan. So, ang mangyayari, yung character ko, kasi di ba nabanggit ko nung umpisa pala, genderless. So,
But
yung
she has boobs.
magpapalit basically ng form yung character ko. Ganun pa din ako, gender lang yung magpapalit.
She can do that?
I mean, pwede siyang mag-put on ng disguise.
But
Ganon. It's like a disguise na parang
Mas
form.
diba merong disguise na spell?
There is one.
Ayun, basically, just gender lang naman yung magbabago, tapos I'm gonna cut my hair.
You're trying to change your gender?
Oo.
That would be a high-level spell. Pero kung
Wait, it's a spell?
if it's just a disguise,
Yeah, it's just a disguise.
you don't have to use a spell.
I'm just gonna be a swing. Okay.
samahan mo siya.
Twink ka natin. I tell our plan to her to get
Do we wake up?
member.
Are we just asleep? Tulog mantika?
Ayaw mo silang
magawa na
Oo nga, roll.
Between the two of you, isa lang. Make a stealth check.
Ah!
Anong gagawin ko?
Si
Stealth check.
Jerwin.
And then, isa sa inyong magre-represent na...
Me.
Wala akong dex.
I have high
May deck siya.
Sino may mataas na wisdom?
May dex ako.
Ako, mataas wisdom. Ay, never mind. Sila
Si
pala.
Sia, tsaka si...
So, may
We're not detected. Y'all are
Try mo
asleep.
muna, baka maka-20 ka din.
Ang hirap naman na to. Ano?
Ay, however, baka maka-20 ka.
Ay,
Charisma?
Wisdom.
Wisdom?
Oo, wisdom. Ikaw, wisdom.
13.
Sige.
Ilan sa'yo?
13.
Swerte ka ba?
Oo, nakapiti siya kanina eh.
Siyempre yung puso
Ano
ko na
ginagawa
magigising.
Oo nga.
Kayong dalawa lang, sila to.
Magigising yung pusa.
Katabi niya sa kama si Alice.
Kailangan na
20. Yes.
Hindi naman tutulog sa Alice eh.
We need
Ha?
20.
Hindi, pero nakahiga.
Ang pressure.
Actually, narinig ko itong lahat.
Narinig ko na lahat.
Wait,
Hindi kasi siya natutulog.
Iyak ko yung itsura ni Alice, saka ganun siya.
While two women is
kaming
like
dalawa.
whispering
Kaming
next to her.
dalawa.
Like, may naghahawak ka.
Tapos yung thoughts ni Alice, what are these two dumb bitches?
Go.
20.
Girl, thank you for your service of absolute love.
Oh my God.
Hindi nagising ang pusa chat.
Oh my God. That's so funny.
Nag-bitch lang sa tulog
Wala ka
ulit.
ng difference from 20 naging 1.
Meron ba pa kayong pag-uusapan?
Wala, sinabi ko lang sa kanya yung plan namin na
Sayang naman yung 20 mo.
You were informed of the plan, tapos
Yun, nagbago lang
you informed din yung plan mo sa kanya.
What's your plan?
I wanna join.
Magdi-disguise siya.
Oo.
Why
And
do
I
you
have
wanna
this.
join us?
Well,
kasi may alam siya din sa CJ.
yes,
So,
ayun.
mag-pursue tayo
May alam
eh.
ako dun.
Kasi she likes you. No.
This is so
Enemies to lovers, slow
So,
burn,
kung-
family chapters,
So kung kung
lore
kung
build, world
kung
building,
magpapahinga ka here, pwede ka
major
matulog sa
character
lapad.
death.
Sa ilalim ng kasma.
Matutulog ka sa lapad. And
Sabi ko si Alice eh.
sa lapad ka matutulog.
Dalawang bed.
Dalawang
Kayo yung
kayong dalawang
nag-occupy ng dalawang bed.
magkatabi. Yeah.
Tapos yung wala tayong nalilinig. It's just dead silent on that side of the room.
Ayan.
Okay.
So,
Wala
tulog
na?
kayo?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yo.
you
Bro, I
guys,
just miss all of
after
this.
That, heavily intimate. You guys take your rest.
Wala nangyari.
For sure. So,
Holy shit.
You
It was
regain
so
your spell
intimate.
slots.
Yay.
Yung mga one-time use nyo, yung detect
We're awake now.
You get that back.
We're awake na ba?
And you,
Alive, awake,
ikaw
awake,
siguro, it would
enthusiastic.
take you longer to wake up kasi
Kami
you're
6 a.m.
palitan of
kami.
body. So, nauna silang magising.
Bitin.
Kasi,
Bakit napagod siya?
nagulat kayo na nandito, ikaw, may isa pang kasama sila na hindi mo kilala. And you, nakita mo bigla si
Yung
Lilith
puppets na side eye, si
supposedly dapat nakakulong.
I realized one more detail there. Kasi diba balot ako ng shadow, tapos bigla naglalaki yung form ko. So, like, try to imagine a naked man being there.
Lalo with this guy's high levels.
Hindi pa naman siya mukhang lalaki.
Oh,
May
yeah.
buba pa rin siya.
Alam niyo si, kilala mo si Rimuru Tempest?
Yeah.
Alam mo di ba yung form niya na parang wala naman siyang parang
like gender.
Parang ganun. Like, I
Tanggalin
just
mo na
don't
yung
have the chest.
malaking ano niya. Rimuru Tempest. I got reincarnated as a slime.
Parang ganun yung
Basta isipin mo na lang genderless.
Twin control.
Okay, so parang nakita ko si
Are you naked right now?
Where are you? Nasa labag ka lang
Sa
nakahiga.
lapag. Yeah, lying
Wala kang
naked.
blanket? You didn't give her a blanket?
Maybe I
Kanina mo side dyan nakahiga daw.
Binigyan mo siya ng blanket?
Decide kung saan higa banda.
may couch ba sa loob ng ano?
Malapit ba sa puppet
There's a
couch?
chair.
Para kasi nga kahit saan talaga kasi
Did you not give her a blanket?
Maybe I'll sleep on the bed, but I give her my blanket because I'm not willing to give up my space on the bed.
Okay, so may blanket siya.
You're able to sleep with the blanket. Pero
On the cold, hard
nauna silang
floor.
magising sa inyo. And how do you guys react?
Ikaw.
I don't nap.
meow.
Ako naman like, what the actual fuck?
Wait, question ko lang sa appearance ko. Am I an actual cat? Or parang,
You're a human.
Human with cat ears.
Show me
And a
what.
tail. And it's for show a picture of Izuzumi.
Ha?
Show a picture of Izuzumi. Izuzumi.
No, it doesn't look like it.
Or like parang furry talaga
Ayan,
na ano.
nagpo-project.
wag naman po, wag naman po furry.
Patingin, patingin.
Furry ka na.
Oh no.
Let her read the
Isa kang furry sa paningin niya.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's what I've been thinking about actually. May imagine ko na sa Izuzumi, pero imbis na white, it's blue.
Ay, blue and black ako. Di ba?
Wi-Fi.
Sige, ano ko
Pero
muna.
it's basically just
Yung
Ay, human
reaction
with
ko
cat.
muna. So I was
Tapos
like,
gumanon ako sa legs mo. Akala ko cat ako like,
You can
transform?
There is you can be a smaller tabaxi na mukha ka talagang
pusa.
bata.
mukha kang chibi na
Oh my God! Like,
chibi na
yung kapatid ni Tanjiro?
Hmm?
Yung kapatid ni Tanjiro?
Sinezo ko.
Nezuko.
Si Nezuko?
Ang kapatid
Yeah,
ni
pero cat.
Parang si Kirara ba yun sa Genshin?
Masyado
No.
siyang malaki.
Kirara is big. Okay. So I was like, I slightly pushed the cat away. Kasi medyo uncomfortable pa ako. Pero tumayo ako and then suddenly... Oh! It's actually so
I like
cool.
that. I like that.
Oh, wow.
Ano?
Furry talaga siya.
It's a tabaxi.
Karina Silent.
Yeah, it is
I actually like it.
I mean, you can
I like it.
have look for other references.
Okay, so I slightly pushed the cat away and then...
Ganyan sila, yan yung tabaxi.
God damn it.
Si Kajit.
Oh my God!
Yeah, mga kajit.
Kajit. I love Kajit.
It's
Kajit
kinda
has
Mga
hot,
wares.
kajit sila. Yeah.
Bro, God
Ano yung
damn.
gamit mo sa ano? Bakit
Oo.
nakaganon yung YouTube mo?
Naka-minimize yung may ganyan siyang function.
Samsung yan, no?
Techno.
Okay.
Akala ko parang yung Ray-Bans
Okay,
So, nag-protest yung cat.
Go.
Bye.
and then I stand up the bed and then I see on the floor some...
Si Ali. Si Ali.
Wait, what?
Si Lilith, the job scare.
Lilis? What the fuck? Gawin ako. Tapos, tumingin ako kay Raim. Is Raim asleep?
No,
Gising na rin siya.
I'm awake.
And then I just stare at Raim and I just give her a look.
And I say, don't ask.
And then I just gesture.
She's joining us. Let's move. Ganun.
Okay. I just don't stop giving you the look.
No, you're giving me the look.
Right now, you know that downstairs sa tavern there's a breakfast waiting for you. Specifically for 4 individuals lang, hindi pang 5. So,
Hindi naman kumakain si si Alice.
You voluntarily give your food.
you can eat.
Kasi yung pagkain,
Pero tulog pa siya.
You don't get
For
any benefit
later.
from it.
Sure, bibigyan.
Wait,
Pero like,
do they deliver it to our room?
No, pupuntahan niyo.
Angas mo naman.
Pero can we still,
Bed and breakfast?
can we eat inside the room?
Like you're going to bring your plates there.
So I just
Pero if
Kasama
you
si
do
Christy.
that, most likely, sila mismo yung pupunta sa room para i-collect yung mga...
okay, that's fine. Okay lang ba yan?
Wait.
Fuck.
Okay.
Di ba kasi hindi siya makikita dapat. So she should be away. Like anong oras siya magigising? Like how many hours after us?
Probably just 30 more minutes. 1
Okay,
hour,
fine.
then-
I just look at Raim and I just say like, you better have an explanation ready. And then I go get the breakfast.
Attention.
Go
I
now.
am
Ay, sense of
sensing
poly.
I'm sensing... It's a triangle.
Oh my god.
Everything goes back in a triangle.
Yung reaction ng character
Hoy, parang interesting si Thea.
is very,
So as
Pwede
you
ka
go
naman
down,
sumali habang
you retrieve the breakfast meals.
No, pwede kang mag-listen
Along with
in.
that,
Every
they
Friday
have a
kami.
picture of what
Friday lang
seems
ba
to be
tayo?
some kind of
Gusto mo
fruit
sa Sunday?
juice.
Kayo.
Depende siya kasi di
Di
ba
ako pa
may
dyan.
kasi.
Friday na tayo.
So, di ako, anong oras ng Friday? Friday, face-to-face na ako.
Oo nga. Di ba meron siyang
Anong oras yung schedule mo?
Tanghali to 7.
Yan, sa bawal siya ng Friday.
Saturday,
Wednesday or Saturday.
Wednesday. Kaya nyo?
Wala pa kami schedule na NSTP.
Oo
wala
nga,
pa
ba't
rin
kasi may
kami
NSTP kayo? Wala ka na sa
Kasi kung
Monday.
mag-Wednesday naman tayo, usually ang NSTP.
Monday.
Tapos ng 12. diba?
Oo, yun na. Pag Wednesday, pwede
Monday
siguro.
ko 7 to 3.
Ano pa yung major?
Physics.
Physics.
Yeah.
Is an astrophysics.
Second.
Second year.
Magkakakuha
Same
kami.
lang.
Tapos ikaw ay...
Bliss ay.
Siya B-set, kita mo naman.
Ito ICT.
Ang
ICT.
talented.
Basta B-set.
So yun, I guess Wednesday ang best bet.
Tama Bliss mabilis.
Pagod sa bata.
Yung sabi
Okay, so ayun.
Nagre-report agad kayo.
I go retrieve the breakfast.
Come back.
And then
Sana all
wait, can I tell the people that I'm going to bring it back
Chill
myself?
pa.
Yeah.
Okay, I tell them that. And then I go back.
As before you go upstairs,
BPS na.
you were alerted by the
Pero di ba,
concierge that
mayroon din kami.
Parang
Pero wala pa
binigyan
kasi you were
Ay, hindi
asking
ba
for
report? May nagsasalita ng students sa
registration.
harap.
And by 8 a.m., the
kaya
registration
pala.
will be starting. So,
6 a.m. na, di ba?
Yeah, it would be better
Ay, basically,
if before
kaya
that,
16
makapag-ready na kayo para
Okay.
malista yung names nyo
Okay.
before mag-start.
I go upstairs with the breakfast and then I put it on. Where do I put it? Is there a table?
Is there table naman?
Okay, I put it on the table and then I just.
Kasi yung card ko.
Okay.
What about ask her when she wakes up? I tell. What's your character's name again?
Me?
Sia.
Sia. I tell
My
Sia
God.
that.
Ayan. So, you take your
How would I know that she's not lying?
You need a deal. That's what I said. Ganun. Because alam niyo na my God is God of deals. So I
Fine.
treat God, I treat deals as important.
Okay, fine. Fine. Nagising na ba siya? Kumakain kami?
Ano, ginaganon
siguro
siya
about-
ng Ming.
Good, great.
What
the fuck is this? Who are you?
So,
Ang cute.
as you're
3 years
lying
old pa lang
down
siya.
sa lapag with the blanket over you feel
Yeah.
Bisan ba siya ng
Kunuhan
Actually, start niya lang din
Ay,
actually.
totoo.
Kaya pwede ka din mag-start.
Maximum na yata niya, 5.
ang alala. Hindi na ulan.
Basta
Hindi
si
na,
Kea.
te. Hindi.
Hindi, seryoso nga.
Nakikinig na lang ako. Para siyang podcast.
Oh my
Sige,
God.
sige. Ano
Buwan tayo
nangyari?
ng podcast.
Nag-enjoy ka ba sa drama kanina?
Oo, sa inyo. Tension.
So, you suddenly feel this
Give kudos daw sa...
fur throbbing against you, and you open your eyes, wake up to a new morning, and you are currently face to face with a tabaxi, a cat.
Oh my God, what the fuck is this?
Mag-uusap ba kayo? Kakausapin mo ba siya?
Ay.
I responded. Meow.
Meow to meow conversation.
Okay. And makikita mong gising mo ngayon si
Okay, nakita ko na nagising si Red. And
I look away. let
May
them
nangyari.
solve this problem themselves.
Sa alis tayo lang para narinig niya lahat ng nangyari.
Side eye siya.
Sorry.
Nakahiga din sa hig.
The homophobic dog.
Malaki yung mata, tapos blue na blue.
Tapos
Ice,
loob-loob
Uy,
na
so
2K
parang si Freddy Masbel.
Di ba?
Yeah, pero parang siyang more like si Balor.
Show your sketch.
Yeah, may drawing ba ako?
Yan,
Okay, so yung nangyari, I see that Lilith
actually.
is awake. Do you explain it to me?
Yes, I make an explanation here.
Parang siyang ganito yung mukha niya.
Yeah.
Ayan, I
Yung
justified
parang siyang tao.
the
Tapos
reason
yung
again.
ano lang na parang
Alright.
napapakita ng worker siya is yung mga ball joints.
Tapos I questioned your morals.
Kinestyon din yung
everything.
That's the only thing I can say
I'm
talk
so
to
very
Jutsu.
Parang may
I mean, I have no morals.
protect sa loob ng
So like, whatever.
Did you forget?
Ano yung mga lolita?
Huh?
Nadamay sa
Hindi. Parang like, I don't care because it doesn't matter.
ano yung
Ganyan.
breakfast?
Oo, ano yung breakfast?
Depende
Okay
kung
naman.
Economiya.
Ekonomiya.
Guys,
a
depende
few
sa
pieces
breakfast,
of
di ko siya
turkey
bibigyan.
legs alongside
Turkey?
yeah, turkey legs alongside what seems to be mashed potatoes.
Wow,
And
sarap.
pieces
What the
of
fuck?
eggs.
For to go?
Wow. Okay, that's
Oh,
nice.
hot to go. Paano kaya gagawin niyo ng dyslexic?
Yung pinapakinggan ko
Oh, may piset dito.
yung papadugtog si hotdog na sa utak ko.
Around right
Okay.
now, it's about 7:30. You guys,
What does she do? Wait, I huddled them. Kasi if na naman escape siya, ang unang hahanapan ng place,
Kami.
tayo.
Di ba sinabi mo sa deal mo, you should never don't let yourself be seen with us. Ikaw nagsabi.
That's technically not our deal. Ang deal lang namin is...
No, you have 2 deals.
Yeah, I have 2 deals. Yung isang deal, do not judge my actions and action. And yung second
Walang
deal
judge
namin is yung do not stray from your morals and do not do it to people
Girl.
that don't deserve it.
About that, yung if you're worried na ititrace ako ng I reach out kay Eman about it. Ang para mangyayari kasi is,
Reach out.
ganito kasi mangyari, di ba there are
Pinasahan niya
pools,
siya ng
there's like pools of blood everywhere. There's like some scratch may malaking scratch doon sa mga walls. Like something just ravaged doon sa wall. And parang ang mangyayari is like, I died there.
Pero walang body.
Walang body, walang corpse.
Ayun nga lang, walang body. Pero it's like an assumption na namatay. Kasi di ba may mga namamatay din naman na out of
hindi nila
nowhere.
hahanapin yung corpse.
Di ba may mga nasusunog ng
Oh, maybe they'll assume na meron din siyang,
Self-destruct.
oo, meron din siyang symbol.
Ah,
Sumabot
Something
ako.
like that.
okay.
Interesting.
Susan.
Okay, we ready for that again.
What time
is it?
so 7:30.
7:30.
No, it's 3:40.
Akala ko dun sa ano. Akala ko sa
Okay, sige, go.
So, right now,
Hanggang ano oras ka?
4?
Can you just say 30?
4:50.
Wow, he's
so
back.
once again, go down the stairs and we witness a gathering of
Can you?
what seems to be
Anong pinaka-late?
other
1 hour nga yung last time.
parties of varying sizes. Like there are about parties of 3, parties 4, 5, 6. Right now, they are parang nakapila sila sa harap ng search, writing down their names to register for the trial for the adventurers.
Wait, di ba na-take mo na yan?
Yeah. Okay.
Na-take mo na?
Yung
Yung trial.
Yeah. Pero it is not parang
Individual.
the main goal is to fight another party na of same number sa inyo. And being her as still a geodra, she can still participate with parang pwede pa siyang tumulong with other groups. However, once makatungtong ka na sa higher rank above geo, di ka na pwede.
Guest listener. Pagkano ang gagawin namin?
You can siguro pipila na kayo to register.
gusto ko yung walang
Nakakabal pa rin to.
Yung parang walang nangyari
Di ko alam kung kasama ka ba sa akin sa lugar.
Huwag na.
Nakapad ka pa rin?
Oh, ba't pa rin siya?
Ano,
Perfect.
what do you look like?
You're like hiding. Hindi siya nag-detect.
But I'm, parang lalaki na yung appearance ko.
Did you go out with us?
Oh, pero before that, I'm
Pero
gonna cut
maligaw
my
muna yung
hair.
character ko, guys.
Kasi di ba mahaba yung bukod, tapos I'll just get a
naligo.
Yay! Wala na
twink
yung mga
cut.
twigs sa ulo niya.
Parang yung parang yung scene ni dun sa Detroit Become Human. Alam mo yan?
Looks mo, ano?
Nag-cut siya ng hair ni Kara.
Although di ko pa napapanood yan, pero parang ganun na.
So, and like right now you have
Hindi, wala.
her hair. Ano bang nilagay mo dun sa
So,
Saan napunta yung boobs niya?
kinain nito.
Sa likod.
Kinuha ng pusa.
Kasi, ginawang stress ball ng po.
you don't physically change your body. Pero kasi that would most likely require a spell.
Magical bind.
It's a spell.
You don't have the ability to change your appearance. Pero you can take a disguise.
Eh, di magbabinder ako na.
Yeah,
nakabind.
Kasi yun nga, magkakat ako ng hair.
Okay.
Kamukha mo pa rin.
Huwag ka na lang lumabas sa kasama namin.
Like,
Incognito ka muna.
you can wear a mask. Whatever
Should you
you want.
dye your hair? Should you
A mask, yeah.
So,
I'm gonna wear a mask.
tangina. Huwag na tayo mag-English na kaya.
3 English majors dito.
Should you?
Hala, Eme lang po. Eme
So,
lang ako.
anong class? Is it like a full mask or just covering half your face?
Yung masquerade.
Si BJ Allen.
Masquerade mask.
You need to
Yes,
find
ganun.
something-
Parang kay Vin. Ay, hindi niya pala kilala yan. Basta
you need
yun,
to
parang
find something
ganito.
like that.
Parang ganun yung mask.
Oh, maybe it's in her inventory.
Ano ba-
Nasa inventory ng
I'm pretty sure dito.
nung shadow niya.
Kala shadow.
Pwede kong
Steal
gumawa
it.
ng makeshift gawa sa tela.
Yeah, pwede.
Makeshift, ano yan?
I mean makeshift mask lang. Like a temporary mask. Yeah.
Nag-chill pa rin yung bag.
You're parang meron kang
Yun, oh.
I think it's the task.
Girl, is it?
So,
Give it a nudge. It's not. No! Ano pa siya?
right now,
Roll
habang
ako ng
nakapila kayo sa
okay,
harap ng
papatay ko siya.
Wag.
they witness
Yung inintay mo na ba?
6.
your attention gets captured by a specific group. There
I'm at the heroes party.
there's
Viren,
about
Viren.
5 of them.
Free rent.
You see a human wielding a sword and a
Si Himen nga yun. Ay, di, may shield. Si Kabu.
a sword and a shield. It's like a long sword and a shield. Wearing what seems to be metallic armor. You see a bugbear.
May dog! Oh my God!
A bugbear is
Ay, akala ko dog.
Hala, ang cute niyo.
It's a tall race. About they usually average well above 6 feet.
Nakita mo? Oh my God.
They are very.
It fell.
They are.
Di ba yan?
Yeah, balbon siya.
Ano
Hindi,
yan,
ano
boss?
siya, like furry na bear, kagaya ng ZZZ.
Looks
It's like
boss.
Sasquatch. It's like a Sasquatch. Parang ganun yung klase ng
Maybe it's a ball.
yeah, a bugbear, a human, and you see unknown female. She looks like